But the journey is not over. He discovers a new calling. A natural shelter formed by the ancient roots of a giant tree. He begins to clear the entrance, drawn to this primal space. An irresistible challenge to create a home within the earth itself. Carefully, he trims the roots, respecting the life of the tree. He begins to excavate, his hands shaping the interior. The work is arduous, digging into the dense, packed earth. Slowly, the cavern expands. He battles against a massive, immovable stone. Ingenuity is his greatest tool, leveraging his strength against the rock. The forest provides the tools he needs. Timber is gathered to aid in the monumental task. Each piece is brought to the site with great effort. A bridge is fashioned, a simple but effective solution. He prepares to move the unmovable. A system of ropes and levers is devised, anchoring the system to the very forest that surrounds him. With incredible force, the giant stone begins to yield. Victory, the path is cleared. He gazes into the newly expanded space, his vision for it clear. Using rollers, the massive stone is moved into its final position. It will become a feature of the new dwelling. The work continues, pushing the boundaries of his skill. He crosses the stream, constantly seeking resources. Rotten wood is harvested, its core still strong and useful. The outer layers are stripped away, revealing the treasure within. This wood is processed into fine kindling. A resource that will soon be used to create a natural plaster. The natural world provides everything he needs. Even the smallest creatures are part of this intricate ecosystem. The wood shavings are mixed with clay, creating a strong, fibrous building material. With this earthen mortar, he begins to sculpt the interior walls. The cave is transformed from a rough hollow into a smooth, deliberate space. The walls are reinforced with a lattice of wood. An opening is formed, perhaps for a hearth or window. Again, he must venture out to gather more timber. The weight of the logs is immense, a true test of endurance. Each log is brought back to the evolving shelter. The construction continues, piece by laborious piece. His journey back to the shelter is a picture of perseverance. The wood is cut into uniform discs, the building blocks of his next creation. An inventory of perfectly cut rounds is prepared. Using clay, he begins to build a wall of wood and earth. This remarkable technique creates a strong, insulated, and beautiful wall. A fire burns in the new hearth, bringing life and warmth to the space. The walls rise, a mosaic of natural materials. The entire surface is plastered smooth with clay. He builds an arched ceiling, a marvel of primitive engineering. Smoke from the chimney signals a home that is alive. He sets posts for the entryway, the final phase of construction. The wooden discs are used to create an intricate, welcoming arch. The details showcase his evolving mastery. The entrance to the Hobbit hole is nearly complete. Now, he will craft furniture for his new home. A log is carved and shaped to become a bed frame. The craftsmanship is both rustic and elegant. The bed is brought inside, turning the shelter into a bedroom. It fits perfectly into the space he has created. The underground home is a finished masterpiece. A cozy, warm, and utterly unique dwelling, born of the earth. The next project begins, an entrance worthy of the subterranean home. He positions to hollowed logs to form the base. Wood is prepared for what will become a magnificent round door. Old planks are carefully arranged and measured. Wooden pegs are driven through, fastening the planks together. The pegs are trimmed flush, creating a smooth surface. A sturdy frame is built around the planks. The completed door lies ready, a perfect circle. A wooden latch is fashioned, another small, clever detail. The archway of the entrance is filled in with the signature wood discs. He stands before his creation, the iconic door now hung in place. Firewood is prepared for the cozy home. The entrance is sealed and decorated with earthen plaster. The finished entrance is a work of art. The final touch will be a floor for the entryway. Fresh bamboo is gathered to create a beautiful, natural flooring. The bamboo slats are laid down, forming an elegant and durable surface. And he listens for a sign, a place that feels like destiny. Here, by the lifeblood of the forest, the work begins. Each stone, weathered by time, is chosen with immense care. They are the bones of a new beginning, pulled from the earth's embrace. Slowly, an ancient art is revived. A structure born of patience and sheer determination. The walls rise, a testament to a forgotten strength. A foundation is laid, solid and unyielding. With the heavy work done, a moment of reflection. But the vision demands more than just walls, it demands artistry. Every gap is filled, every stone perfectly placed. This is more than a building, it is a fortress of solitude. The ground within is consecrated, made smooth and ready. The first chapter of this incredible endeavor is complete. The journey is far from over. Now, the forest must offer its timber, the soul of the shelter. Each piece of wood is skillfully shaped, carved with ancient joinery techniques. The frame of a doorway emerges, a portal between the wild and the sanctuary. The precision is remarkable, a perfect fit born from raw materials. Delicate but strong, the window bars are set in place. A touch of elegance in the rugged landscape. The structure now has eyes to look out upon its domain. A heavy stone lintel, a crown for the entrance, is carefully positioned. With renewed purpose, the stonework continues its ascent. From a distance, the scale of the achievement becomes clear. He works with the focus of a master craftsman. A humble palace of stone rises from the forest floor. The final challenge for this shelter, the roof. A framework of timber is constructed, reaching for the sky. The rafters are laid, a skeleton that will soon be given skin. Each piece adds to the growing sense of completion. The design is both simple and profoundly intelligent. A look of satisfaction reveals the pride in his work. The magnificent stone house stands complete, a triumph of will and skill. It is a monument to what one person can achieve. The next phase of the project introduces a new element, a waterproof seal. He moves through the woods, his connection to this land now unbreakable. Returning to his creation, the work is not yet finished. From his pack, a modern material emerges, a rare concession to the old ways. This layer will protect his sanctuary from the harshest elements. Now, the roof will be armored with the very stones he gathered earlier. A painstaking process, laying each stone slate with precision. The final tiles are placed, completing the formidable stone roof. Attention now turns to the interior, creating a space of warmth and comfort. A small, efficient hearth is built into the wall. Next, the floor must be prepared. The earth is leveled, a clean slate for the final touches. The shelter is being perfected, detail by detail. Once again, he turns to the forest for materials. Timber is expertly split into usable planks. A supply of wood is prepared, ready for the next stage of construction. The home is being imbued with a soul. Every action is deliberate, thoughtful, and skillful. The culmination of this effort is almost at hand. A work of profound dedication is revealed. Now, the interior floor is laid, plank by plank, transforming the earthen floor into a warm, wooden surface. Outside, a stone path is laid, a welcoming walkway. Each stone is hammered into place, creating a solid, rustic path. The final walkway is tested, strong and steady. He inspects the surface, ensuring its perfection. The local clay is mixed, transforming into a natural mortar. This earthen plaster will be used to seal and strengthen the fireplace. A stone hearth takes shape, the future heart of the home. The stone-slated roof gleams, a shield against the elements. The finished house stands in harmony with the forest. Inside, the stone floor is meticulously set in place. The gaps are sealed with the same clay, binding the stones as one. The path to the door is paved, an invitation into the sanctuary. The final piece is the door itself, crafted from the forest's timber. It is assembled with skill, a sturdy barrier to the wild outside. The frame is secured, completing the entryway. From within, the home offers a new perspective on the world. A masterpiece of natural building stands complete. He looks back, a silent acknowledgement of his incredible achievement.
First challenge, logistics. She must harvest and transport hundreds of pounds of bamboo to the launch site. The raft construction begins. She selects mature bamboo culms, prized for their thick walls and natural water resistance. Each lashing must be incredibly tight to prevent the logs from shifting and compromising the raft's integrity. The framework is assembled with cross members, which will distribute the load of the deck and superstructure. A final inspection of the lashings. The integrity of the entire vessel depends on these simple knots. The moment of truth, launching the primary float. She carefully guides it into the water. She tests its stability, checking the draft and balance before adding more weight. The initial buoyancy calculations are correct. With the raft complete, she begins her journey, a testament to her skill in primitive naval engineering. She makes minor adjustments to the cargo, ensuring the load remains balanced for a stable voyage. Her simple pole acts as both a rudder and a propeller, a marvel of efficiency. The raft performs beautifully, gliding across the water with minimal resistance. This journey is a powerful demonstration of how ancient techniques can be used to conquer a challenging environment. She navigates with a quiet confidence, born from the trust she has in her own craftsmanship. The raft is not just a vehicle. It's a mobile platform for the next, even more ambitious phase of her project. Phase 2 begins, constructing a permanent floating habitat on the stable raft platform. She reinforces the raft structure, adding more lashings to handle the increased load of the house. The enlarged raft is now a stable construction platform ready for the house's foundation. She beaches the raft, allowing for easier construction of the house's framework. The location provides easy access to both water and the forest building materials. She uses a long pole to maneuver the heavy raft, demonstrating a clever use of leverage. She continues to perfect the raft's deck, adding smaller bamboo slats to create a solid, continuous floor. She uses a knife to create notches in the bamboo, a form of primitive joinery to lock pieces together. This method of lashing is both materially efficient and structurally effective. The platform is meticulously leveled and secured before the vertical construction begins. She uses a handsaw for more precise cuts, a significant technological upgrade from a simple knife. Each component of the house's frame is carefully measured and cut to size. The main structure is now complete, a stable and spacious floating platform. She continues to reinforce the platform, ensuring it can handle the point loads from the house's support posts. The work is painstaking, but this level of detail is what separates a temporary raft from a permanent floating home. The repetition of her actions creates a strong, unified structure from dozens of individual components. The finished platform is a testament to her planning and perseverance. She begins adding the final decking, creating a solid, comfortable floor for her new home. The floating homestead is complete, a masterpiece of sustainable, off-grid architecture. The stability of the platform is remarkable, allowing her to walk on it with confidence. With the platform secure, she begins construction on the house itself, lashing the main support posts. The frame is assembled piece by piece, a slow but steady process of creation. The structure is designed to be lightweight to minimize the draft of the raft, yet strong enough to withstand wind loads. The finished floating platform is an impressive piece of engineering, ready for its superstructure. She uses thin, flexible strips of bamboo to weave the wall panels. This weaving technique creates a wall that is lightweight, breathable, and surprisingly durable. She now ventures into the forest to harvest larger timber for the main structural frame of the house. She selects straight, strong saplings that can serve as the vertical posts and horizontal beams. The timber is processed on site, stripping the bark to prevent rot and insect infestation. Transporting these heavy timbers back to the build site is a physically demanding task. She begins erecting the main A-frame of the house, a classic and inherently stable structural design. She climbs the structure, a testament to her confidence in the stability of her own work. The framework provides a clear view of the beautiful, serene environment she has chosen for her home. The ridgepole, the main structural member of the roof, is carefully fitted into place. The entire frame is secured with strong lashings, allowing for a degree of flexibility to handle wind and movement. The work is methodical, with each new component adding to the overall strength of the structure. She stands on her creation, a master of her domain, surveying the progress. The completed framework is a simple but elegant piece of structural art. The final details of the frame are secured, preparing it for the roofing and walls. She now prepares the roofing material, layering dried leaves to create a natural thatch. The leaves are layered like shingles to create a waterproof barrier, a technique used for millennia. The construction of the raft house continues, a testament to long-term planning. She carefully selects and processes bamboo for the house's superstructure. The raft itself serves as a stable workshop for her construction activities. She transports a significant amount of bamboo, the primary material for the house's frame. She adds a layer of thatch to the raft itself, perhaps for a shaded seating area. She carves precise mortise and tenon joints into the bamboo, a sophisticated woodworking technique. These joints will allow her to assemble a strong, rigid frame without modern fasteners. The joinery requires incredible precision to ensure a tight and stable fit. She assembles the first wall frame, inserting the tenons into the mortises. The A-frame for the roof is erected, defining the shape of the floating house. The entire structure is a testament to her skill in translating a design concept into a physical reality. She tests the stability of the completed frame before adding the weight of the roof and walls. A moment of rest and satisfaction, enjoying the fruits of her labor. She continues to add reinforcing members to the structure, constantly improving its strength. She tests the raft's stability with the added weight of the house frame. It remains perfectly balanced. She makes final adjustments, ensuring every joint is secure. The floating house, a harmonious blend of nature and ingenuity, is nearly complete. The final result is a beautiful, functional, and completely self-sufficient floating home. Construction of the floating house begins. The main A-frame is the first structural element to be erected. The frame is carefully positioned and secured to the bamboo raft foundation. She begins to install the floor of the house using smaller bamboo slats laid across the main beams. The flooring adds rigidity to the entire structure, helping to distribute loads across the raft. The ridgepole is lifted into place, completing the primary skeleton of the roof. The structure is checked for plumb and level, ensuring a stable and symmetrical build. She installs the roof covering, a traditional thatch made from dried palm leaves. The thatched roof is lightweight, waterproof, and provides excellent insulation from the sun. A moment of quiet contemplation. The house is a home, a sanctuary on the water. She adds finishing touches, a testament to her pride in her craftsmanship. The lashings are checked and tightened one last time. She processes more bamboo, likely for interior furniture or exterior railings. Every piece is carefully selected and prepared to her exacting standards. She inspects the finished structure, her expression a mix of exhaustion and triumph. Life on the water begins, a peaceful existence in the home she built herself. She continues to add small improvements, a never-ending process of refining her creation. The process of creating is as rewarding as the final product. The work is detailed and requires immense patience. The final house is a stunning achievement, a functional work of art floating in a paradise of her own making. It stands as a testament to the incredible possibilities when human ingenuity meets the bounty of the natural world. The house construction continues. She erects the main support posts for the superstructure. The roof's A-frame is assembled, a strong and efficient design for shedding rain. She installs the floor, adding a loyal companion to her floating homestead. The flooring requires precise cuts and fitting to create a solid, gap-free surface. The roof frame is completed with purlins, horizontal members that will support the final roofing material. The purlins are lashed securely to the main rafters. Every knot is a critical structural connection, tightened with skill and care. She harvests dried leaves, the primary material for her thatched roof. The thatching process begins, layering the leaves to create a thick, waterproof covering. This is a meticulous, time-consuming process, but the result is a roof that is both effective and beautiful. She continues to build up the layers of thatch, ensuring complete coverage. A moment of satisfaction as the roof nears completion. The finished house is a testament to her incredible skill and vision. The thatch must be thick and dense to be fully waterproof. The work continues, with each leaf adding to the shelter's protective envelope. From her perch on the roof, she has a commanding view of her domain. The final leaves are put in place, completing the roof. The house, now fully weatherproof, is a secure sanctuary against the elements. She gazes out from her new home, a creator admiring her work. The floating house, a perfect synthesis of design and environment, is complete. The project begins with a simple materials test on the water. She begins constructing a new, more elaborate floating house. She processes bamboo with a handsaw, allowing for more complex joinery. The work requires precision and a clear plan for the structure. Her bare feet connect her to the platform, sensing its balance and stability. She begins weaving the wall panels for the new house. This woven bamboo, or wattle, is a classic building technique for creating lightweight walls. The weaving pattern is not just decorative. It adds significant shear strength to the panels. She uses a knife to shape the bamboo strips, ensuring they fit tightly into the weave. The finished panels are installed onto the house's main frame. The floor of the house is also made from woven bamboo, creating a breathable, comfortable surface. The roof is thatched with palm leaves, a time-tested method for waterproofing. The finished floating house is a marvel of primitive architecture. She transports a finished wall panel to the construction site. She uses a chisel to create a mortise joint in a bamboo post. The main support posts for the house are carefully measured and installed. She installs a woven bamboo panel as a wall, a lightweight and effective solution. The house takes shape panel by panel, a modular construction approach. The completed house is a testament to her skill, a perfect blend of form and function. The house walls are made from intricate woven bamboo panels, providing privacy and ventilation. A companion joins the project, helping to install the heavy wall panels. The work is a combination of heavy lifting and delicate, precise fitting. She prepares thin bamboo strips, the raw material for the woven panels. The weaving process is meditative and requires immense skill to create a uniform, strong panel. The finished house, now with walls, offers a new level of comfort and security. The final wall panel is transported and prepared for installation. The last panel is fitted, completing the enclosure of the main living space. She installs a curved bamboo frame for a window, an elegant architectural detail. The house is now a complete structure, a private and secure dwelling on the water. The focus shifts to the interior with the installation of a raised bamboo floor. The floor slats are meticulously prepared to ensure a smooth, even surface. She uses a knife to split bamboo into thin, workable strips. Each strip is smoothed and shaped before being woven into the floor panel. The floor is installed slat by slat, a labor-intensive but rewarding process. The teamwork continues with both women contributing to the floor's construction. The work requires coordination and shared understanding of the design. The final slats are cut and fitted, completing the interior floor. The finished home is a stunning achievement, a complete and comfortable habitat. It is a symbol of self-reliance, creativity, and the power of collaborative engineering. The next project, adding modern conveniences. She installs a bowl, adding security to her home. She begins construction of a pet enclosure, a safe space for her canine companion. She builds a small table, adding furniture to make the space more livable. The table is a simple but elegant design, crafted entirely from bamboo. She uses thin cordage to lash the joints of the table together. The finished table is lightweight and strong, a perfect piece of camp furniture. The house is now a home, complete with custom furniture and a happy dog. The floating home is an idyllic retreat, a self-contained world of tranquility. The dog enjoys its new custom-built kennel with a view. She begins work on a clay oven or hearth inside the house. She harvests clay from the lake bed, the primary material for her fireproof hearth. She builds a stone foundation for the hearth to protect the bamboo deck from heat. The stones are carefully placed to create a stable, level base. The design process is fluid and intuitive, adapting to the materials at hand. The work requires a diverse skill set from woodworking to masonry. She carves a precise mortise joint, a hallmark of her quality craftsmanship. The continuous improvement of her habitat is a central theme of her survival strategy. The completed raft is a testament to her engineering prowess. The project continues, demonstrating a relentless drive to create and improve. She uses a chisel to create a perfect mortise for a structural joint. The bamboo is cut with a handsaw, allowing for clean, precise joinery. She checks the fit of the tenon in the mortise, ensuring a tight, strong connection. The finished house is a complex structure of interlocking frames and woven panels. She adds a railing to the deck, a critical safety feature. The house is a harmonious blend of different bamboo construction techniques. She prepares palm leaves for the final layer of thatching on the roof. The finished home floats peacefully, a self-contained island of ingenuity. A wide shot reveals the scale and beauty of her creation in its natural setting. She continues to add details like smaller bamboo pieces for trim and reinforcement. Her skill with a knife is evident in the precision of her cuts. The process of smoothing and shaping the bamboo is crucial for creating tight joints. She adds a final lashing to the railing, completing the safety feature. The house is a testament to the strength and versatility of bamboo as a building material. She enjoys the view from her completed deck, a well-earned reward. She inspects the underside of the raft, ensuring its continued structural integrity. The project is a continuous dialogue between the builder and her materials. As evening approaches, the house becomes a beacon of warmth and shelter. Lit from within, the house is a cozy and inviting sanctuary. The final ridge cap is installed on the roof, completing the weatherproof envelope. A relaxing moment after a hard day's work, a shower in the wilderness. The house provides all the comforts of home, created from the simplest of materials. She continues to refine the interior, adding small, practical details. Her mastery of bamboo is evident in every cut and joint. Her tools are simple, but her results are sophisticated and precise. The work is a testament to the power of focus and dedication. She installs a window frame, bringing light and air into the enclosed space. The completed house is a functional and beautiful piece of architecture. Her skill with a knife allows her to craft intricate components for her various projects. She uses a handsaw to process bamboo for a new project, a fish trap. She weaves thin bamboo strips into a complex, funnel-shaped trap. The trap's design is an ingenious piece of passive hunting technology. She sets the traps, a sustainable method for harvesting food from the lake. She also cultivates the land, planting saplings to create a garden. This demonstrates a long-term vision for sustainability and self-sufficiency. The house, now with a garden, is a true homestead. The floating house is a tranquil paradise, a world of its own.
By inch. The forest provides the finest materials. With skilled hands, he weaves the bamboo into intricate patterns. This is more than a craft, it is a meditation. Each strand locks into place, creating a durable, beautiful surface. The finished mat is a piece of functional art. It is carried back to the shelter, a touch of comfort for his new home. The work is tireless, his focus unwavering. The simplest objects bring a sense of order to the wild. Soon, fire will bring warmth and light to this lonely place. A fire pit is prepared, the heart of the future camp. The first shelter stands complete, a testament to what is possible. But his ambition reaches further. He will now build with the earth itself. Using a mixture of clay and wood, a new structure rises. He digs deeper, seeking the perfect soil for his creation. An underground chamber begins to take form, cool and hidden. Flexible bamboo is shaped to create the arched framework. Every piece is custom carved to fit perfectly. He works within the womb of the earth, sculpting his vision. The walls are plastered, sealing the shelter from the outside world. With a sculptor's touch, he refines the shape of the walls. The scale of this underground home is truly astonishing. A unique building technique is unveiled, using cross-sections of wood. The entrance is fortified, a beautiful mosaic of wood and clay. The roof is carefully completed, a dome of natural materials. Every component is sourced from the immediate surroundings. A wooden door is installed, the final piece of the exterior. The interior is prepared, transforming a cave into a home. The structure is complete, a hidden marvel of natural architecture. A moment of pride in a creation that is both strong and beautiful. The door, a masterpiece of rustic design. It stands in perfect harmony with the forest. The journey continues, with new skills and greater challenges. He works on the mud-walled house, adding a touch of artistry. He prepares bamboo, the versatile backbone of his creations. The joinery is precise, a testament to his expertise. He is at one with his work, surrounded by the bounty of the jungle. Every notch and cut serves a specific purpose. A bamboo frame is fitted, bringing structure to the entrance. Next, a slatted bamboo door is meticulously crafted. He ensures a perfect fit, a barrier against the night. The finished door is carefully moved into position. It is hung with a simple, yet effective, bamboo hinge. The frame is secured, a satisfyingly solid construction. Now, his attention turns to the roof. The wooden rafters are laid, a skeleton awaiting its skin. Though weary, his expression shows deep satisfaction in his labor. The house is complete. He steps inside his new sanctuary. The final step is to bring order to the surrounding chaos. The worksite is cleared, leaving only the finished home. A living roof of green grass makes the house part of the landscape. Now, he will test the most fundamental of skills, clearing the land. He turns to crafting tools from the materials at hand. Each piece is shaped with intense focus and precision. He attempts to create fire, the ancient gift of warmth and light. A small trap is constructed, a testament to his survival knowledge. His next shelter will be simpler, built from earth and leaves. Large leaves are woven together to form waterproof panels. These panels become the walls and roof of a new, more primal hut. The leafy thatch is layered, a technique passed down through generations. More panels are woven for bedding, ensuring a dry night's rest. He places the bedding inside the dark, cozy interior of the hut. A small fireplace is prepared, ready for the evening fire. His journey takes him to a rocky outcrop, searching for new materials. He prepares a new kind of mortar, a mix of soil and binding agents. The next project will be built of stone, a fortress of permanence. He lays the foundation, binding the stones with the clay mortar he prepared. The walls grow higher, a solid and reassuring presence in the wild. The gaps are meticulously filled, making the wall impenetrable. His hands, covered in clay, are the primary tools of this creation. Built against a fallen giant, the stone shelter takes its final form. He now ventures into a dense bamboo grove for roofing materials. The bamboo is stripped and prepared with practiced ease. He pulls a modern tool from his pack, a cordless drill. A fascinating blend of ancient methods and modern technology. The prepared bamboo stalks are ready for assembly. They are cut to size with a small, sharp axe. The bamboo rafters are laid across the stone walls. A dense layer of bamboo forms a sturdy roof deck. This is then sealed with the same clay used for the walls. The roof is complete, simple, and effective. A heavy capstone is placed at the peak, adding weight and stability. More stones are added, creating a fully armored roof. He prepares to craft a floor for the stone shelter. Thin strips of bamboo are expertly woven into a mat. Suddenly, a new marvel, a system to deliver fresh water from a spring. He builds yet another shelter, this one with a thatched roof. The stone walls are carefully finished. He enters his creation, a dark and secure hiding place. He prepares clay for an indoor stove. The stove is built by hand, a vital source of heat. Layer by layer, the mud stove takes shape. Finally, it is ready for its first fire. His focus now shifts to a final, ambitious project. He gathers strong timbers, the foundation for a home in the sky. The logs are cut to the perfect length. A large supply of firewood is prepared. He begins to build a new frame. He will use his modern drill once more. The joints are drilled and secured, creating a sturdy base. A platform is assembled piece by piece. The modern tool makes quick work of the heavy timbers. The final details are secured with precision. The completed platform, a stage for his final act of creation. The last piece of the frame is fastened into place. He begins to construct the walls of the treehouse. Each joint is secured with a hammer and nails. He carves the wood with a small, sharp knife. His attention to detail is extraordinary. He prepares the smaller pieces that will form the walls. The drill is used to create pilot holes for the framing. The pieces are joined with screws, strong and secure. He climbs onto the platform to begin work on the roof. The roof beams are nailed into place. He prepares a long timber for the ridge beam. The wood is shaped with skill and patience. Bamboo is gathered to form the curved roof. The roof frame is fastened together. The final beams are secured. The elegant bamboo arch of the roof is assembled. The structure is now recognizable as a small, sturdy house. The treehouse frame is complete. The last of the main supports are screwed into place. The side walls are reinforced and secured. The dome-like roof rises above the platform. He works on the peak of the roof arch. From inside, the complex geometry of the roof is breathtaking. The final ribs of the roof are installed. He ensures every piece is perfectly aligned. He adds small blocks to support the walls. The roof is a masterpiece of woodworking. The space inside feels secure and enclosed. The finished treehouse stands tall, a triumph of design. Now, he crafts a bamboo door. The bamboo slats are nailed together. The precision is evident in every hammer blow. The door is fitted near the entryway. He gathers more bamboo for the finishing touches. He fits the door from the inside. He looks out from his new home, a king in his wooden castle. The door is hung and operational. He climbs the ladder, returning to his sanctuary with prepares bamboo for another project. A decorative bamboo railing is installed. He covers a mound of earth, perhaps for planting. He gathers fresh greens from the forest floor. Water is added to a clay pit. He builds a conical clay oven. The oven is smooth and perfected. With a fire lit, the homestead is complete.